There's two drain plugs. One is for the case here and one is for the filter. Inspect this plug. This is magnetic, so excessive shavings is bad. This is okay because this could be clutch materials, and that's it. And then your filter. So make sure you have the right tools before you start this task. So Allen key, 5, 6, 14, socket 17 if you're using the K&N filter. If you are using other filters, it will be a 74mm. A torque wrench, I think that's it. Of course, drain pan, and brake cleaner, and of course the oil that you need. Oil that is recommended is 15W50, and if you have replacements for, don't be like the guy who did this before me. He used silicone. You don't need it. If you have a crush washer, then if you tighten it within specification, you don't have to worry about it. So we need to clean that. And of course the filter, there's two types. There's a plastic and there's aluminum. This is aluminum, so we will be tightening this much more harder, which is 42. The plastic, you only need 10 Newton meters. So let's clean this. The brake cleaner is the choice of agent because it doesn't leave any residue. Let's talk about the drain plug, the location of the drain plug. So the orientation is it's at the rear. In order for you to drain most of it, then you need to raise the front. So let's drop the rear and let's raise the front. Make sure to clean all the mating surface. The gasket. Once the filter sits, then add 1/4. And if you're anal about torque specs, it will be 12 Newton meters. Let's see if my hands are as accurate as a torque wrench. So 12 Newton meters. I guess not. But that's too much. No. I am not going to agree to that. That's enough. No, I'm not gonna tighten that 12. Next is the filter. Newton meters. And the plug, just the same, 42 Newton meters. plug. Make sure to clean everything. It's better to replace this, but we don't have one. This will do. Make sure to clean it well, because that's the key that it will not leak. This is 20 Newton meters. And then same with the other one. So out of curiosity, how much did we drain? That's 1 liter. 2 liters. 2.3. That's 0.3. Let's wait this to cool down and let's see the level. So the bike has already cooled down. Let's level it. Perfect. So 2.3 plus 100 on the filter. You can still add 100, but that's perfect. I'll add 100. So in total, 2.7 liters, because I wanted it to be a little bit above the middle. So I think that's perfect. So that's it. Hope you like this. Peace. Next, let's fix this.